Hi everyone, I'm your Professor Tawashri, and today I'll be explaining something that's difficult, but actually it is not, which is probability. So, probability is just a fancy word for what are the chances something will happen. So, let's make it super easy to understand. So, let's look at the first example. So the first example is, let's say I have a coin with me. So this coin has two sides, right? So one side is head and another side is tails. So what are the chances that I would get the heads? Okay, so the answer is you just put it like 1 out of 2. So the probability is 1 over 2 or 50%. And the 50% is you get by 1 over 2, which is 1 divided by 2, and you get 50%. Isn't that easy? The second example is, let's say I have 5 sweets, which is 3 orange sweets and 2 chocolate sweets. So if I close my eyes and randomly pick one sweet, so what are the probability that I would get a chocolate sweet? So the answer would be there are 2 chocolates out of 5 sweets here. So the probability would be 2 divided by 5, which is equals to 0.4, or it's 40%. So that's how you get your probability. Easy, isn't it? The third example would be rolling a dice. So what's the chance of getting a 6? Well, there's only one number 6 on 6-sided dice. So the probability would be 1 over 6. That's how it works. The fourth example would be, let's say I have 4 pens in my bag, but only one works. And I randomly grab a pen. So what are the chances that one pen actually works? So this is how it counted as. So we have 4 pens, right? So it will be 1 out of 4, which is equals to 1 over 4. So 1 divided by 4, it would be 25%. And that's how you get your answer. And last but not the least, let's imagine I have a jar of cookies. I have 10 cookies inside, but only have 3 chocolate chips. So, what's the chance I pick a chocolate chip cookies? So, the answer would be 3 divided by 10, which is equals to 0.3, or 30%. That's how you get the answer. Easy, isn't it? So, to wrap up all our discussion today, the formula to remember is probability is equal to what you want mm, divide by total possibilities. Probability is everywhere, from picking sweets, choosing pens, even rolling dice. Thanks for watching, and I hope you get to understand. That's all from me, and I'm your Professor Tawashi. Class dismissed. Bye. Hi everyone, welcome to today's Math Corner with Professor Tawashri. Today we will learn about permutation. Wait, don't leave yet. I'll make it fun, I promise. So the first example is, let's say you have 3 shirts, purple, blue, and white. So how many ways do you have? How many ways can you wear them in a different order each day? That's 3p3 equals to 3 equals to 6 ways. Hmm. So, You could wear purple, blue, white, white, blue, purple, or white, purple, blue, and so on. See, even your fashion has permutations. Now, we will look at what is mathematically permutation means. If you have n objects and you want to arrange r of them, it's npr equals to n exclamation mark over n minus r exclamation mark. Don't worry about the scary symbols. I'll break it down to you. For example, if you have 5 books and want to arrange 3 of them, it's gonna be 5p3, which is 5 times 4 times 3 equals to 60 ways. Boom! That's how it works. Hope you understand. The third example is, let's say I'm decorating cupcakes. So I have 4 toppings, which is sprinkles, chocolate chips, fruit, and also cream. And what's the best order to add 3 of them? See, permutations again. So 4p3 is equals to 24 different ways.
No, the cream has to come last.
If you have 4 friends and want to take a group photo with 3 of them in front, so how many ways can you do that?
One eternity later.
Yep, it's 4p3 equals to 24 ways. Good job on getting it correct. See, permutations aren't scary. They're actually kind of slay. So, next time when your friends tell you math is boring, just tell them that even buying a boba tea needs permutation. Well, that's all from me now. Thanks for watching. And this is your Professor Tawashri. Class dismiss! Bye! Oh wait, sorry.